little duck goes quack, 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 quack. The little duck goes quack, 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 quack around the sunny pond. The tiny feet go waddle, 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 waddle. The tiny feet go waddle, 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 waddle along the pond's edge. The little wings go flap, 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 flap. The little wings go flap, 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 flap in the gentle breeze. The bright yellow beak goes peck, 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 peck. The bright yellow beak goes peck, 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 looking for yummy treats. Happy ducklings go swim, 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 swim. The happy ducklings go swim, swim, swim across the sparkling pond. The shiny water goes splash, 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 splash. The shiny water goes splash, splash, splash under the blue sky. The little duck says bye, 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 bye. The little duck says bye.